guests, welcome back. Hope you're all doing great. Today we're making a flavorful chicken biryani that's simple, aromatic, and perfect for any occasion.
Start by marinating the chicken with yogurt, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric, salt, and lemon juice.
Wash the basmati rice until the water runs clear. This helps keep the rice light and fluffy.
Boil the rice with salt, bay leaf, and whole spices. Cook until it's about 70% done, then drain and keep aside.
Heat oil in a deep pan and fry sliced onions until golden brown. This step adds rich color and taste.
Add tomatoes, green chilies, and biryani masala. Cook until the oil separates and the aroma comes through. Turn off the heat, gently fluff the biryani, and it's ready to serve. Enjoy this delicious chicken biryani.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.